Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajela Conrad Sangma hane kasengi habakali Halor ka Jingslam bantay ya ka Shillong Medical College ulaong pa ka Jingslam bantay ya kani ka college kadai nakadaw jong ka Jing Bombyang ka Jingdon jong ka Jaka hanray nagaleng Sorkar kalay mikilat kelenti ban pej habaya day bat kani Shushu ulaong ro bak Sorkar kahaban pej ya bun ki benta haswa ban siem ya kano karay nagaleng Menteri Rangba ulaong ro ba utrang ba kani ka Jingtay ya kani ka Medical College Shillong kan sedang nok loy kat bala. Habai day berkejingnya soy Soskular bat kawai ke company kabadon Dax New nakaliang Menteri Rangba uloong makani kejingnya soy ya kani ke Soskular lale dak Sorkar ka Barim hakaba nakaliang ke Jongki hadin bagila shimti kila syubuddin yak ke ba kilale. Susu uloong ru ba habai day berkejingdon Dax New jong kani ka company ka Sorkar ka Barim kalade menpej benia haswa benia soy ya kani ka Soskular. Hanray menta nakaliang jong ka Sorkar kan syam jenjar ban penkut no ya kani ka Soskular namar kidon bun ki benta ki bahap banya tengko bat ka ain.
The Shillong Medical College, as was mentioned by the Health Minister yesterday, I read in the press myself, that there has been a delay because of the location not being feasible that was initially given. So therefore, there was a lot of dilly-dallying, and ultimately there was a proposal that they want to redo the entire terms and conditions. So therefore, going into the terms and conditions is not that simple. We will need to follow a procedure. So it's not simply that we can just sit down and say we'll agree to these terms and conditions. So let us see, there's a legal matter also attached to it. So we cannot simply say that we'll cancel it also. So we don't want a legal complication in this. But at the same time, the concerned partner has mentioned that there is a cost escalation. But then during the tendering process, a certain amount was committed to them. Can the government simply go ahead and give a new rate to them? These are all legal matters which need to be examined. But my interest is very simple, that I would like this project to start and to see it being completed soon. But there are a lot of complications. The land is an issue that was there, which we are very close to resolving. But the question lies whether the concerned partner can continue with the present rate or not, because times have changed. So therefore, those matters need to be discussed in detail. And if we do need to change the rate, can we just simply change it at our own level, or we need to go for a tendering process? So all these things need to be